Today we're going to, and it looks like rain, so we're going to put the soft top up. We are able to leave the shade on right underneath. What we're going to do first is we're going to put the door surrounds back on, and they just slip right up underneath the piece of mesh till it lays right in its anchor spot here. Push that into place, and then we'll make sure that these are all in their proper position. And now all we have to do is put in the screws. We use the big long ones in here. And of course we got to line it up. And I like to save time, so I've put my torque bit in the screwdriver and just screw it right up into position. I've already put the front one on. It's basically the same process. Just slip it, sits right up underneath the mesh. You can't even tell inside, hasn't done anything to it, and everything fits perfectly for putting this door surround on. So let me put the other side on, and then we'll come back and I'll take the boot off and we'll go ahead and put the soft top up. Okay, so we have our soft top boot off, and we've got it here in the back of the Jeep. We've unlocked the two locks that are on the mechanism back here so that we can slide our soft top off. And we're just basically going to push it. It's going to slide right into position. It's going right up and over the top of the soft top. Doesn't interfere with any of the buckles or any of the straps that are on in the middle. The overhang is all laid out here. And we're just going to continue the process. And we're going to slip this back out of the Sunrider position. And in a second here, we're going to bring it right down onto the very front edge. But first of all, we want to be able to get access to the latches. So what we do is we pull our strip, our patented strip that magnetically attaches to the front, and you see right here, we're just going to fold it back slightly. It's not going to need it. It's not going to need a whole lot of space. And then we're just going to pull the top down into position. And that's the soft top going on up over the top of our JL sunshade. And we'll go down inside now, and just like we did with the Freedom handles, all we need to do is flip the two latches, and that locks it right down to the front, and we have our soft top on. The process, a couple of minutes maybe, very simple to do. Okay, so now we've got the soft top on. We're gonna come inside, and here is the soft top latch. I'm just gonna take it, push it right into place. You see it pulls it down tight. Now, you've got two ways you can do this. You can just leave the piece of mesh right there. It's going to be flush right with the visor. Or, this is a little trick that I think is pretty cool. Customer sent it to us. You take our little flap and you push it right up into the groove. And if you can see that, it's right in the groove now between the top material and the hard metal part of the soft top. And then you just do it all the way down. You do it all the way down on both sides, and now you can see it's just created this cavity, and it's real clean looking. Fold your visor back up, and we're going to do the other side. So we're going to come down and get this other side here in a second. But now you've got this really clean, custom looking edge in the front. And then when you're ready to take your soft top back down, all you have to do is pull it. And then when you go to push it up, it's going to slip right back out of that channel. And you're ready to tuck the tab back into the front edge of the windshield and run with your soft top only. I mean, with your shade top only, as you slide your soft top back. So that was just a little trick that was sent in by a customer. So that's it. Soft top up over the top of the shade, and we're ready to go.